Hey everyone, today me and my friend, come over here, say hi. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna be making a slime bubble, and we're gonna be trying the poke test, and we're gonna be making a swirl. That's my other slime. And this slime is pink, and it's cloud slime. I think it is. I don't know, but it looks like cloud slime. So, Adrian, don't. Diana, give me the chair. Sorry about that. Don't bother him. You know he's mad a lot. So first we're gonna be doing the poke test. Here. Oh, and this slime was originally blue. So yeah, we added some red and it was pink, and now it's pink. So let's just do the poke test with 2 fingers. Oh no. Oh, and I forgot to say, it's sticky.
¿Tú le pusiste este color?
Can you hear that? Don't make any sound. I don't think they can hear this. I don't think it's that pokey, but I can hear it. Wow, this is so good. This feels so good. Now 1 finger. Okay, now 4. No, wait. 4 fingers, not 5, yeah. Now 5. Wait, now 5. Uh-oh, my mom's gonna be mad. He made a mess. Yeah. The baby made a mess.
Oh, 6 now.
No.
Yeah?
No,
Look,
no.
Look.
Okay, no, wait. Now we're gonna be making.
Mira.
No, wait. No. Now we're gonna be trying to make a slime bubble. Let me fix this camera. You can see me more right now. Okay. Oh, it's still the same, but who cares? Okay. Now we're gonna be trying to make a slime bubble. Can you see that? That's extremely loud.
Oopsie, me manché.
Okay, so now, oh no. Now let's do this. Oh, nope, that didn't work. How did he get that umbrella? Give me.
Le digo a tu mamá.
We'll be right back.
We go.
Diana, get off, please. So we're back, and now you can see my face because I'm sitting down. But now I need to do the standing up position. Did you do that on purpose? Now we need to do this slime bubble, right? That's where we were. I'm failing so badly. Okay. Maybe we'll do the slime bubble at the end. Right now, let's do the swirl. I think it's, yeah, the swirl. Or Instagram swirl,
We should go.
Are you singing Gucci Gang?
Yeah.
Okay.
What you go?
That's not how it goes, and you're not saying the right words. Is that kind of a... No, that's not a swirl. What am I thinking? Can you hear that? Don't put that in my face. That's dangerous. Look, it's stretchy. Whoa. It's, oh yeah, and this one is sticky. I forgot, it sticks to my hand. Let me not do the Instagram swirl like not in my hands because it will stick to my hands. No, stop, Diana. No, we're doing Diana. Okay, I think we can do it. What do you think, huh? Yeah, I'm here. In the room. Is that an Instagram swirl? Huh? Is that? No? Oh, this feels so good. Oh, yay. Okay, I'm going to try it one more time. This is long for just like making a bubble. Oh, we still need to make the bubble. I forgot. And we're almost leaving. What? Oh, dang it. I need to move the slime over. Is that a slime bubble? No. What? A swirl? Instagram swirl? No. I'm feeling... You know what? I did the best I could with it. Now, let's do the bubble. This feels so good. Okay, let's do it. Oh, let's remember. Yeah, my mom. Hear that? Oh, I hurt my hand there. Huh.
Can I touch it?
Oh, you can see a bubble right here. No.
Okay, why does it?
Okay, again. If we're blah. Okay, wait. No, wait.
What is that?
We already did the poke test. No. Oh, Miguel is here. My cousin.
Miguel puede tocar.
Wait, he's gonna be doing another poke test because he wasn't here. Come on.
Okay. Hey, why does it have like?
It's cloud slime. I think it looks like cloud slime. Do it. Poke test.
Wait.
What are you doing?
No, I just want to feel the inside for me.
Okay, feel it.
Wow, this thing is sticky.
Yes. Okay, now for the slime bubble. Okay, let's do this. Diana. Oh wait, no, that's not how it was. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh! Can you see that? Yes! I need to take a picture of this. Yeah. Picture.
Oh my God. Oh, that thing is so awesome. Can I pop it?
Okay,
Can I
took
pop it?
several pictures. Oh!